Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a gradient fill in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make gradient fill. In this document, go to the page design menu. Then we can see here many tools. Now we find and select the background tools, then go to the gradient background. You can choose any background in this background, otherwise you can go to the more backgrounds, then choose gradient fill, then you apply stops, click the stops and choose color option to color. You can apply 3 color, 4 color, then more color gradient. Now I apply the 3 color gradient, then click OK. Now we can see we create a gradient fill the publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.